So if I should take my main takeaway points, then some of the stuff that you've seen, that was actually a good confirmation of what we're doing. So that we're on the right path with some of the stuff we do in the company. I can also see that some of our stuff is different to what we do. And of course we have to evaluate if we should take some of that into our processes, but the main takeaway is actually that we are doing some stuff like everybody else does, and also maybe some stuff that we are doing better. To come here to this Nordic Product Zone, I think there was two elements. I'm heading a global product office. I have to follow what's happening. I have been in the IPMA for quite a while and is certified there, so I know that organization. PMI is big, and that's the rest of my organization using PMI. So how this is run here in Denmark, I would like to see that. That's why I came here. Brought also some of my people, and I will see if we should continue to come here.